Hi, this is Jen from Aussie Rig Renos. Welcome to another chapter. Today we're looking at insulating the Millard van and why you should do it. Now, when you have a look at the actual caravan inside, once you've gutted it and taken away the plyboard, you see behind it of what's there. It's just bare aluminium with timber wood. And so why would you want this pretty little van to look like that on the inside? So it's better to have it sound and thermal proof a bit more. You can see here you've got your windows and your straight aluminium providing no protection against the heat or the cold. So let's have a look. You can get pieces of, spare foam board or polystyrene, clean them up and dry them and use them on the walls. Or you can get foil board from Bunnings or a hardware supplier. It really doesn't matter how long it takes, as long as you get the job done, and in the end you'll be glad you insulated. So here I've done the wall where the shower's going to be and furniture. I also utilised a little bit of foam and did that as well. I had that blue foam, put all the insulation up. It's so easy with a cutting mat just to cut it and pop it in. You can see the roof had silver already ingrained and laid out in the board up there, so in the wall or roof I should say. So the reason for that is that I found after putting all of my full board in with the green side facing in, it's not actually accurate. It is better to turn it and put the silver side in, which was kindly pointed out by a fellow Facebook user, and he was right. When you Google it and have a really good look, the silver on the inside gives the gap for the UV to come in, strike that silver and go straight back out again, even through the aluminium wall. So you want your silver pointing inwards, and that's the better way to have it. So line your van. It's so easy to do. The 14-foot van took about 3 to 4 sheets to do.